Big news for Samsung users. Samsung has just dropped the stable One UI 8 update, Android 16, for the Galaxy S25 series, including the S25 Edge. If you've been waiting to level up your phone, the wait is finally over, and the rollout has already started in several countries. Now, before I reveal the full list of countries, let's quickly talk about what makes One UI 8 so exciting. This update brings a brand new quick share experience, improved Samsung DeX with screen rotation, smarter reminders and calendar apps, enhanced secure folder for your privacy, fresh camera gestures for easier shots, better accessibility features, voicemail support, and Auracast connectivity, new Samsung Health running challenges. In short, One UI 8 is packed with upgrades to make your phone faster, smarter, and more fun to use. Countries where One UI 8 is live right now for the Galaxy S25 series: Europe, Germany, Greece, Romania, Spain, UK. Asia, South Korea, India, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore. North America, US, Canada. South America, Brazil, Colombia, Africa, Tunisia. Middle East, UAE, Oceania, Australia, New Zealand. And the best part? Samsung is already working to roll this update out to even more countries very soon. If you've already received the update in a country not listed here, drop a comment below and let the community know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest Samsung news, tips, and hidden features.